Christmas I made a nut roast with 100 grams of mixed nuts, 200 grams of mushrooms, onions, peppers and garlic sweated down, all in a bowl with cumin, pepper, paprika, curry powder, mixed herbs, whatever you like. Of course, there's sage and soya sauce.
This nut roast is moist, nice, even flavour. I think the best one that I've ever tasted. And I'm not just saying it, but it is because it's not like those dry ones that you have in the shops. This is moist and it's got a nice flavour. I'm glad I'm having it.
Thank you, sis, for the lovely feedback. So, guys, it was a bit of a sad one. My dad passed this year, so this Christmas, no daddy. But listen, guys, happy holidays.